If you're over 60 and find yourself suddenly awake at 2 or 3 in the morning, staring at the ceiling while the rest of the house sleeps, you're not alone. Many seniors experience this frustrating pattern night after night. You go to bed tired, hoping for deep rest, yet a few hours later your eyes open, and your mind becomes strangely alert. The quiet darkness can make the moment feel even longer, and slowly a question appears. Why is this happening now? Scientists have discovered that one hidden reason is the natural decline of melatonin, the hormone that guides your body into deep, steady sleep. As we age, the brain often produces less of it. This means the internal clock that once carried you smoothly through the night becomes weaker. Instead of staying asleep until morning, the body drifts into lighter sleep and wakes too early. For many older adults, this change can feel like a loss of control. Lack of sleep affects energy, mood, memory, and even confidence. When nights become restless, days begin to feel heavier. But there is hopeful news. Research shows that certain natural foods contain compounds that help the body support healthy melatonin levels. These foods gently work with your biology, helping the brain remember how to relax and to sleep again. In this video, we'll explore 6 melatonin-rich foods, starting with the mildest and moving toward the strongest sleep supporter. And number 1 food may surprise you because studies suggest it can greatly help. Food number 6 is barley. At first glance, barley may seem like a simple grain, something many people overlook at the dinner table. But for seniors who struggle with waking up in the middle of the night, this humble whole grain can quietly support better sleep. Barley naturally contains small amounts of melatonin, the hormone that signals to your body that it is time to rest. While the amount is not extremely high, it works gently with your body over time, helping restore a healthier nighttime rhythm. One of the hidden reasons many older adults wake up around 2 or 3 in the morning is unstable blood sugar during the night. When blood sugar suddenly drops, the body releases cortisol, the stress hormone, to bring it back up. This sudden cortisol spike can push the brain out of sleep and make the body feel alert at the wrong time. Barley helps prevent this problem because it is rich in complex carbohydrates and fiber that digest slowly. Instead of sharp spikes and crashes, your body receives a steady supply of energy throughout the night, allowing sleep to continue without interruption. Barley also contains magnesium and several B vitamins that play an important role in calming the nervous system. Magnesium helps relax muscles and quiet the brain after a long day, while B vitamins support the natural process that turns tryptophan into serotonin and later into melatonin. This chain reaction is one of the body's most important pathways for creating deep and restorative sleep. Researchers have also found that complex carbohydrates like those in barley make it easier for tryptophan to enter the brain. When this amino acid reaches the brain more efficiently, it helps increase serotonin levels. Serotonin not only improves mood, but also acts as a building block for melatonin production later in the evening. In simple terms, barley helps prepare the body for sleep long before your head touches the pillow. One sleep specialist shared a simple example that shows how powerful small changes can be. A 68-year-old patient named Robert had been waking up almost every night around 3 in the morning. He felt frustrated because once he woke up, falling back asleep became difficult. His doctor looked closely at his evening habits and noticed that Robert often ate refined snacks like crackers before bed. Instead of medication, the doctor suggested a small bowl of warm barley soup with dinner. At first, the change seemed too simple to matter, but within a few weeks, Robert noticed something surprising. The constant 3 a.m. wake-up calls began to fade. Some nights he slept straight through until morning, something he had not experienced in years. Barley works gently, but the next food on this list contains nutrients that help the brain relax even faster. Food number 5 is sweet corn, a surprisingly simple addition to your evening meal that can quietly support better sleep. At first, it may not seem like a sleep food, but sweet corn contains moderate amounts of natural melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to rest. What makes it especially valuable for seniors is not just the melatonin itself, but the way its complex carbohydrates interact with your body's natural sleep chemistry. These carbohydrates help transport tryptophan into the brain, the amino acid that eventually converts into serotonin and then melatonin, setting the stage for deeper, more restorative sleep. Many older adults wake up in the middle of the night, not only because of hormone changes, but also because of sudden drops in blood sugar. These nighttime dips can trigger brief awakenings, leaving you restless or hungry at odd hours. Sweet corn's fiber content and slow-digesting carbohydrates help maintain steady energy levels throughout the night. Instead of abrupt spikes and crashes, your body receives a gentle, consistent flow of fuel that prevents those unwanted awakenings and keeps the sleep cycle smoother. The science behind this is simple, yet powerful. When tryptophan reaches the brain efficiently, it becomes serotonin, which improves mood and prepares your nervous system for rest. Over time, the body uses serotonin to create melatonin, strengthening the signals that tell your body it's time to sleep. This process may seem subtle, but when combined with a balanced evening routine, it can make a significant difference for seniors who struggle with broken sleep patterns. A real-world example illustrates this effect well. Linda, a 72-year-old woman, had long suffered from insomnia and frequent nighttime hunger. Even after adjusting her bedtime routine, she often woke around 2 or 3 in the morning, feeling both restless and hungry. Her physician suggested replacing refined evening snacks with a small serving of sweet corn alongside dinner. At first, she was skeptical, wondering how such a simple change could impact years of disrupted sleep. Yet within just 2 weeks, Linda noticed a remarkable difference. The constant awakenings became fewer, and her nights felt calmer and more consistent. For the first time in years, she began to experience a sense of control over her sleep, instead of feeling powerless to it. Sweet corn supports melatonin production and stabilizes nighttime energy, but the next food on our list contains nutrients that work directly on the nervous system, helping the brain calm more quickly before sleep. Food number 4 is shrimp, a surprisingly powerful ally in the quest for better sleep. For many seniors, falling asleep is only half the battle. Staying in deep, restorative sleep is where the challenge lies. Shrimp provides an important nutrient that the body needs to achieve this: tryptophan. This essential amino acid is the building block your brain uses to produce serotonin, which then converts into melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to rest. Including shrimp in your diet gives your system the raw material it needs to strengthen this natural sleep signal. Beyond tryptophan, shrimp offers vitamin B12 and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which play critical roles in maintaining a healthy circadian rhythm. As we age, many adults become deficient in B12, which can lead to fatigue, low energy, and even interrupted sleep cycles. Omega-3s, commonly known for supporting heart and brain health, also influence the body's internal clock, helping to regulate when we feel alert and when we feel ready for rest. In combination, these nutrients give the body multiple tools to restore sleep that feels natural and rejuvenating. The process is simple, yet remarkable. Tryptophan from shrimp travels to the brain, where it first becomes serotonin, improving mood and calming the nervous system. Later, serotonin is transformed into melatonin, helping your body recognize it's time to wind down. This chain reaction is essential for turning a night of fragmented rest into one of continuous restorative sleep, supporting both mental clarity and physical vitality in the morning. A real-life example illustrates this effect clearly. A 70-year-old retired teacher had long struggled with shallow sleep and frequent awakenings. Blood tests revealed he had a mild vitamin B12 deficiency, a factor that likely contributed to his restless nights. His doctor suggested adding shrimp or other seafood into his meals twice a week. Within a month, he reported a noticeable improvement. He slept more deeply, woke less often, and felt energized in the morning, a transformation that reminded him that small dietary adjustments could have a profound impact on his overall well-being. While shrimp provides tryptophan, B12, and omega-3s to gently support serotonin and melatonin production, the next food on our list contains natural compounds that may actually increase the body's own melatonin levels, offering a stronger, more direct signal for restful sleep. Food number 3 is tomatoes, a fruit many people enjoy every day but rarely associate with sleep. What makes tomatoes remarkable for seniors is that they are a surprisingly rich plant source of melatonin, the hormone that signals the body to rest. This natural melatonin can gently support your sleep cycle, helping nights feel calmer and mornings more refreshing. Beyond melatonin, tomatoes contain lycopene, a potent antioxidant known for reducing inflammation throughout the body. Inflammation, often overlooked, is increasingly recognized as a hidden cause of disrupted sleep in older adults. Even mild chronic inflammation can subtly disturb the nervous system, making it harder to fall and stay asleep. Tomatoes also provide vitamin C and potassium, two nutrients essential for nervous system balance and relaxation. Vitamin C helps combat oxidative stress, which can interfere with restful sleep, while potassium supports proper nerve function, allowing muscles in the brain to relax more easily. Together, these nutrients create a supportive environment for your body to maintain a consistent, healthy sleep pattern. For seniors, These small advantages can make a noticeable difference, transforming nights that were once restless into a period of restorative rest. Scientific studies support the connection between antioxidant-rich foods and improved sleep quality in older adults. Research indicates that diets including vegetables and fruits like tomatoes correlate with longer, deeper sleep and fewer nighttime awakenings. By integrating these foods into your evening meals, you are not only addressing sleep but also taking a proactive step toward overall health. The benefits extend beyond the night, improving energy levels, focus, and resilience during the day, which reinforces a sense of empowerment and control over your body's natural rhythms. A practical example highlights this effect clearly. A 65-year-old patient had been struggling with mild insomnia alongside signs of low-level inflammation. Her doctor recommended adopting a Mediterranean-style diet rich in tomatoes, olive oil, and other antioxidant foods. Within several weeks, she experienced noticeable improvements. She fell asleep more easily, woke less frequently, and felt more energetic and alert during the day. The experience reinforced the idea that even simple dietary changes can produce tangible improvements in sleep quality and overall vitality, restoring a sense of confidence in one's health choices. Tomatoes provide natural melatonin, antioxidants, and essential nutrients to support sleep. But the next food on our list has a long history in traditional medicine, used for centuries specifically to improve rest and relaxation, offering a deeper, more targeted effect on nighttime sleep. Food number 2 is goji berries, a small but powerful fruit with a long history in traditional Chinese medicine. For centuries, these bright red berries have been celebrated for supporting both sleep and longevity, quietly helping the body restore balance at night. What makes goji berries particularly interesting for seniors is that they naturally contain melatonin, the hormone that tells your brain it's time to rest. Beyond melatonin, they are packed with antioxidants that protect the nervous system from oxidative stress, a hidden disruptor of sleep patterns that becomes more common as we age. Oxidative stress occurs when free radicals damage cells, including those in the brain that regulate sleep. When these cells are under strain, even small disturbances can wake you from deep sleep or prevent you from falling asleep easily. By including antioxidant-rich foods like goji berries in your evening routine, you give your nervous system extra protection, making it easier for your body to maintain calm and restorative sleep. Studies have shown that regular consumption of goji berries can improve sleep quality, enhance mood, and even increase daytime alertness, helping seniors feel more energized and focused after a good night's rest. A practical example shows how effective this simple habit can be. A 69-year-old woman had been struggling with poor sleep and persistent fatigue, often waking several times each night. Her physician suggested adding a small handful of goji berries to her evening tea, a gentle change designed to support her natural sleep cycle. At first, she doubted that such a tiny addition could make a difference, but within a few weeks, she noticed significant improvements. Her nights became deeper and more continuous, and her mornings felt clearer and more focused. She regained a sense of control over her sleep and confidence in her ability to care for her own health. Goji berries offer a unique combination of ancient wisdom and modern science, providing melatonin and antioxidants that nourish the nervous system and promote restful sleep. This makes them more than just a snack. They are a natural ally in reclaiming nights that once felt restless and mornings that once felt drained. While goji berries bring powerful support, the number 1 food on this list contains one of the highest natural concentrations of sleep-supporting compounds ever studied, promising the strongest impact on your sleep yet. Food number 1 is mushrooms, the ultimate sleep support food on this list. For seniors struggling with insomnia, mushrooms may feel like an unexpected solution, yet research shows they are among the most powerful natural sources of melatonin. Many varieties contain this essential sleep hormone, along with vitamin D, selenium, and a range of antioxidants that work together to support overall health. These compounds don't just help with falling asleep, they influence circadian rhythm, immune function, inflammation, and nervous system balance, all of which are critical for restorative sleep as we age. Low vitamin D levels, common among older adults, have been strongly linked to sleep disturbances, making mushrooms a uniquely beneficial addition to the evening routine. The science behind mushrooms is compelling. By providing melatonin and supporting its pathways in the brain, mushrooms help the body recognize when it is time to wind down. Their antioxidants protect cells from oxidative stress, which can otherwise interfere with the nervous system and disrupt sleep. Selenium plays a role in reducing inflammation, another hidden cause of sleep problems, while vitamin D supports both circadian regulation and immune function, Together, these nutrients create an environment where the body can naturally and gently prepare for rest, rather than relying on medication or stimulants that may disrupt sleep cycles further. A real-world example illustrates their impact. A 74-year-old patient had battled chronic insomnia for years, waking multiple times each night and struggling to fall back asleep. His physician recommended adding sautéed mushrooms to his evening meals, emphasizing foods rich in vitamin D and melatonin. Within several weeks, he noticed a profound change. Falling asleep became easier, and he stayed asleep longer, waking feeling refreshed instead of groggy. This transformation not only improved his nights, but also enhanced his daytime energy, mood, and overall sense of well-being, showing how small dietary changes can have far-reaching effects on quality of life. Reflecting on the full list, it becomes clear that sleep support doesn't have to come from pills or artificial supplements. Barley gently stabilizes blood sugar and provides nutrients for melatonin production. Sweet corn supplies complex carbohydrates that improve serotonin and prevent nighttime hunger. Shrimp offers tryptophan, vitamin B12, and omega-3s to reinforce sleep signaling. Tomatoes bring antioxidants, melatonin, and nerve-supporting minerals. Goji berries combine ancient wisdom with modern science, enhancing sleep quality and alertness. And finally, mushrooms provide the most direct and potent support, addressing multiple factors that commonly disrupt sleep in seniors. Incorporating even one or two of these foods into your evening meals can be transformative. Sleep is not just about rest. It underpins brain health, immunity, mood, and longevity. The message is simple, yet powerful. Sometimes the most effective health solutions aren't found in a pill bottle, but right on your dinner plate, waiting to restore balance and calm for nights that once felt restless.